everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to post a quick video today to let you know I will be joining my good friend Christine Turner on her travel channel for trivia this Saturday. I will link the video to that live stream in the description below. We're going to be making one of my snack recipes, the Pico de Gallo, which I will link down there as well if you wanted to follow along. We join her in her trivia, which she has going every week on Saturdays. Looking forward to this. Going to be a lot of fun. I'll show you how to make this recipe live during the trivia, and you can also join in and have some fun answering questions with people around the world, travel trivia, food trivia, and a bunch of other topics. It's always a lot of fun. Hopefully you can join me this Saturday on Christine's channel, and we'll see you live at the next virtual dinner party tomorrow, which is Friday at 5 o'clock. Thanks so much and have a great day, everybody.